This is our newly donated power supply. It's a 12-volt inverter. It provides jump starting for cars. It's got a air pump on it for airing up tires and an air pump for airing up mattresses. It's got two 110-volt sockets on it, a 5-volt USB port, and a couple of DC ports to power something DC with. It's spectacular. It's got a light on it for maintenance and so forth, so it's really good. And we ran a test on it during the night, and it powered our equipment for just about 9 hours. Well, it's Thursday morning, and I've just started cooking breakfast. Triton is still in the trailer asleep. He stayed up late last night playing games and listening. Tonight we set out the mini recorders. We set out the alarms, the motion sensor alarms, because we're not going to get another visitor without me knowing about it, so that I can use the Bell & Howell night vision camera to catch whatever's out here. Now, I may have caught something already. I don't know. It will take some time to go through all these cameras and so forth. So we might have something already, and then again it might be just a raccoon or a fox or a squirrel that's very neat in putting the fork on the plate and putting a rock on our plate right there, you know. The fork on the plate down there. So now the reason why I started filming up here is just as I was starting up the bacon or the sausage, and it's smelling pretty good. I hear this out there. He's up there on the ridge, whatever it is, out of my sight. So I thought I would scan the area real closely and real slowly with the zoom and see if you can see through the bushes and maybe see something up there on the ridge. Here it is again. I don't know if the camera picked that up or not. He's definitely up there. We'll go about cooking. Keep our eyes kind of up there, out of the corner of our eyes. Watch it and see if he moves in closer. I should say, if you can hear me, I will leave you some food. You'll be able to come and get it whenever you want. The donations that we got, we have an alarm system that we can set out these sensors. These are passive sensors. In other words, they don't emit anything. All they do is look for heat. And when heat hits the sensor, then it sends out a signal to a receiver. And the receiver will, this is the receiver, and it tells us basically which zone that it's in. And that way we can tell when something's coming into our camp, and we'll be able to, be ready for them. At least be up and willing to look out the windows at them with the camera or something like that. But it will give both visual and it will give an audio. And so right now what I'm doing is preparing the system, putting batteries in all of them. I just finished this one here, so it's ready to go. And I'm getting ready to do another one. We have 10 of them, 10 sensors and 2 receivers, so we're going through and doing that now. Okay. I had put my camera right up here by this permanent water trough. Okay, here's a look at the water trough, and it's a permanent spring. It's got permanent water in it. It's kind of out of sight, out of mind. And my camera's right up there. If I can get my zoom to work.